Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account along with all the data linked to it, like Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, photos, and more. Start by signing into your Google account at myaccount.google.com. Once you're logged in, click on the Data and Privacy section from the menu on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the More Options section and select Delete your Google account. You'll be asked to enter your password again for security. After that, Google will show you a list of all the services and data that will be erased. If you want a copy of your files before deletion, click on the link to download your data through Google Takeout. Next, check the boxes to confirm that you understand this action is permanent and that you'll lose access to all emails, files, photos, subscriptions, and purchases linked to your account. Once you're ready, click Delete Account. Your account and all associated data will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. And that's how you delete your Google account along with all of its data. Thanks for watching.